Hello and welcome once again to OFX's Currency Corner here in the UK. Big week ahead, particularly for the pound and the US dollar. My name's Hamish Morris, I'm one of the senior currency analysts here at OFX, joined by Jake Trask this week, our FX research director. So Jake, first of all, the pound, let's look at things at home to begin with. What's the data coming out for this week and what we've got to look out for?
This week is flooded with data from a sterling perspective. We've got inflation figures tomorrow. The day after we've got wage growth numbers, so the consumer will be hoping the spread between those two narrows. And then on Thursday we've got the Bank of England rate decision. No change expected, but there's some people in the markets who are expecting them to line up a May move.
Okay, interesting. So looking at the language then, in particular. Got to look at politics as well. What do you think the market needs from a Brexit perspective to add some sort of sterling support?
Absolutely. Despite it being a very data-heavy week, all the headlines are probably going to come from Brussels this week with regards to the pound. Comments from Michel Barnier in particular are making waves at the moment, and from a sterling perspective, what will really give it some buoyancy is if talks move on to trade and transition. We get confirmation this week that has happened. Finally,
hopefully it comes around. Looking across the pond as well, to the US dollar, big week, a lot of data coming out from the US as well.
FOMC making their decision this week as well. A hike is priced into the markets, but interestingly enough, that recent soft wage growth data we have means that the chances of 2 hikes this year are now exceed the chances of 4. However, obviously the consensus is 3 hikes from the Fed this year.
Interesting. And a whole load of shenanigans going on at the White House at the moment.
Yeah. Never a dull day at the White House. Trump's fired Rex Tillerson, most recent casualty at his top team, and all the hiring and firing, that the revolving door at the White House, like it is causing a bit of dollar weakness on the uncertainty.
So that dollar weakness is maintaining, is still going on.
Yeah.
Jake, thank you very much. A lot to look out for. Probably even more so than ever. I think that decision from the Fed and from the Bank of England are going to be key, and obviously all eyes will be on Brussels as well. If you've got any questions, please feel free to get in touch. If you've got any questions about how this is going to affect your business, or there's anything that you want us to discuss, please feel free to get in touch at ofx.com. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.